Good afternoon. Welcome to the Galliher Law Firm Facebook. Today we're going to talk a little bit about insurance and how important that is when you see a medical provider or chiropractor after a car crash or a slip and fall case. Understand that there are a number of different kinds of insurance that are applicable to a car crash or slip and fall that may benefit you. For example, in a car crash case, you may have medical payments coverage. Now, medical payments coverage is coverage which is afforded by your own automobile policy. And what it does is it pays your out-of-pocket medical expenses up to the limits of your coverage, irrespective of who's at fault in connection with the car crash where you were injured. That can be very important to you because when the case is concluded, by statute in Nevada, you do not have an obligation to reimburse your automobile insurance carrier for those medical bills that they've paid out. Now, how does that pencil out for you? Let's assume for purposes of analysis that you've got $5,000 in medical expenses and your case settles for $10,000. If you have medical payments coverage, your medical payments carrier pays that $5,000 in out-of-pocket medical expenses, assuming you have a $5,000 limit, and when the case is concluded, you do not have an obligation to repay those monies. So what that means is when the other side offers $10,000 in settlement of your case, you do not have any medical expenses to pay out of that money, and therefore your recovery is far greater than if you didn't have that coverage.